Again, Vatos, thanks again for tuning in to yet another video. I managed to install the relay in this rat nest that you see here. So after, riding the bike for a little bit, living in California, super strict, I don't want to get pulled over the light bar. So I decided to go ahead and reinstall or install the relay and just try to make it fit somewhere. I tried putting it underneath the battery here. There's no room because the battery cover goes right here. So it was tough. So I eventually was able to move some wires around, remove this little bracket that comes on the relay. We remove that, and then there it is right there. There's the relay, you guys can see. So that's what powers the light bar. And I wired it. You can see my remote switch wire. I connected it to my high beam. So you guys can see there, I soldered into it. That blue wire is connected to the white wire. That's my high beam. So that's what activates the relay. In case you're wondering, yellow wire, low beam, black is your ground, obviously. So when you're soldering, try to make sure you do this a lot. Heat shrink everything. So underneath all of this mess here, all of the electrical wire, there's also heat shrink. So not only did I heat shrink everything, I also electrical wired everything just to make sure there is no contact, because Harleys shake quite a bit. So this is already connected. I have a 30 amp fuse in here. I don't think you need a 30 amp, so I'm gonna replace this with probably a 10 amp, because like I said, the light bar isn't demanding at all. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So we already have everything connected. You guys can see it's somewhat organized. You could also see where I grounded. So you don't want to overload your ground terminal on your battery. You can just ground it right here. All right, so you're seeing I have two wires. This is my stereo, and then this one right here, this is the relay that I have for the light. So let's go ahead and just put this on the on position. You guys can see lights are on, and you can see this is off. As soon as I hit that high beam, boom, we have light. Turn it off, no high beam. So it's only going to be on when I have the high beam on. All right, so if I want to ride with the high beam on, I have to I have to remember that my light bar is connected, and maybe the police might not like that. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to fill you guys in on how I installed that. I've explained it pretty well so far, I believe. I didn't want to bore you guys with the soldering. I mean, that stuff's pretty simple. I have a few other videos on how this kind of connects, so you guys can check out those videos, the relay videos. You guys can get a better idea of how to connect all this mess. So you guys stay out there, stay safe. Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna take her out for a spin and reinstall my headlight. All right, stay out there, stay safe. Later.